For as long as watchmaking has been around, watchmakers have struggled to develop ways to keep a common enemy at bay. That enemy, liquid. Enter HYT, a young brand, but one with closer links to history than you might first think. So let's find out more as Dukascopy TV delves into the history of the brand. Water clocks have been around for thousands of years, but the idea to indicate time via liquid in a wristwatch belongs solely to HYT.
The first watches, instrument to measure the time that have been found on Earth are clepsydras. It's something like 4,000 years ago in Karnak in Egypt. We also found some clepsydra in China. So it's water clocks. And he said, there is this lake, this water, and for hundreds of years, the watchmakers, they want one thing, is to keep the water out of the watch. And there is this idea of, okay, let's challenge this view and to have this also historical background and bridge between the first water clocks and the most advanced technologies that we use today to say, let's do the most advanced clepsydra and modern clepsydra here in Neuchâtel. And it was the beginning of the story of HYT.
It all started at the Swiss National Exhibition in 2002. Surrounded by the lakes of Neuchâtel, Biel and Merton, it's not difficult to see where Lucien Voulameau's liquid inspirations came from. Many years of development followed. Then finally Vincent Perriard obtains his movements from Chronode, while Preciflex supplies the liquid components, and the first hybrid mechanical fluid watch becomes a reality.
Hydro-mechanical horologist. Horologist is a reference to high-end watchmaking industry, making really important, really high manufacture mechanical movement. And it's a marriage, it's a combination together with microfluidic device. So microfluidic, what does that mean? It's an indication of the time that uses liquid. And why microfluidic? Because we integrate very small quantities of liquid inside a watch and we manage the movement of the liquids in order to indicate the hours on a very, very precise way. And this is this marriage of these two universes, the liquids and the mechanics, that is the base of the foundation of the HYT watches.
As far as the next step is concerned, HYT and Preciflex's hydromechanical engineering lab continues its innovative journey in pursuit of the ultimate hybrid technology.
So here it's a white room, control in terms of pollution, control in temperature, in pressure, humidity. And we can go, for example, here, where we have process that we had, that you will see here on these machines. Here it's on a skull model with the green liquid, and here it's on a round-shaped device with the black liquid. So this device,
upside-down skull. Yeah.
So this device is really a unique one, yeah. And the aim of that, we call it the priming. So priming is also a term that is used in the medical device environment. This is how, in a given system, in a given device, you inject liquid, yeah, and you take out the air. So at the beginning, we have our fluidic module, which is full of air. And what we have to make is to take out, to make the really vacuum, to take out the air and to inject the two liquids.
The H1 was the start, and like the liquid that defines these watches, the future is most definitely fluid.
In order to make sure that you have a perfect functioning of the device using the liquids, you have to use the most advanced technologies and science. It wouldn't have been possible to do HYT watches maybe 15 years ago, neither 10 years ago. We use some kind of components or process that are used today. When I say today, it's not 10 years ago or 5 years ago. Today, by companies working, for example, with the NASA to send some robots on Mars. This is that kind of technologies. So we have to really master and to be in full partnership with these most advanced technologies. It's an obligation for us to manage all that. And for that, we partner with universities. We have PhDs that we hire and we have to be absolutely at the edge of everything which is feasible today in order to create the possibility of having watches integrating this big innovation for HYT.